to come to a school like this where art is appreciated, I think it's really allowed me to find myself and find my own meaning as well. It's allowed me to take words from my head that maybe I couldn't express before and just put them onto paper.
Using different materials and building something, or maybe breaking something down, it really helps with releasing emotion and releasing stress. And in addition to that, it can be about saying something that you're afraid to say, or it can be about giving a message.
What I have seen the girls do really well is learn about themselves through the arts, and all the different projects, whether it's technology, painting, sculpture, installation, drawing, they really embrace these projects and make it theirs. And if we can design something that allows the students to be, experimental, explore different materials, different techniques and skills, the breadth and depth of this program, I think, would grow and be tremendous. We can design it specifically to the needs of our curriculum and our program. We're going to have a space that is multifunctional, simple, usable, tough, and a beautiful space for the girls where they are creating, thinking, and just playing.
Things like a lot of natural light, having a bigger space, the idea of having a space that you feel comfortable being in. All of those things contribute to the final product.
And to get a new art room which would allow me to express myself even more in a place that was even bigger and brighter, it just seems fantastic.